Hi, I'm Francisco Jara, the founder of Giving Business Soul and the creator of the Roundtable Mastermind. Just over a decade ago, I was exactly where you might be today. Successful on the outside, but feeling something crucial was missing on the inside. Back in 2007, I was on top of the world, young multi-million-dollar CEO, thinking and feeling like I had it all figured out. And it was right then that life would send me a series of humblings. First, I was diagnosed with stage 3 cancer. Next, my business was forced to file for bankruptcy, and finally a devastating divorce. And as I like to say, I didn't hit rock bottom, but instead I found myself at the dark depths of the ocean floor. It took me a few years to come out of my depression and to make sense of everything I experienced. But eventually I stood back up. I dusted myself off and I decided I would do it again. I would rebuild my company, but this time my journey to success would be much different. I was committed to finding a better way of realizing success. I wanted to carve out a path that would include and honor my soul's calling and to live a life of totality. To achieve success, but not only on a financial level, but on all levels, in business, in health, in relationships, and most importantly, on purpose. It took me a while, well over a decade, to figure this all out, but I'm happy to share with you that I discovered such a path. Through deep inner psychological work and a devotion to my body and my health, I have been able to bring my whole life into a higher harmony. By taking the pain and the suffering from my life and literally transmuting it into a river of honey, I now live a life that most people only dream of. At 47 years, I'm in the best shape of my life. I have deep, fulfilling friendships and business relationships. Ultimately though, I am aligned with a deeper sense of purpose for my life. I founded my dream company, a multi-million-dollar mortgage organization with a thriving work culture that is rooted in philanthropy. Every month, we donate a portion of our top revenues from this company while simultaneously traveling to Ensenada, Mexico, a few times a year to build homes for women and children. And most importantly, the void that I had always felt inside of me, that part of me that felt that something was missing, that sense of meaninglessness I felt when I built my first company, is finally gone. I truly feel a deep sense of peace and fulfillment in my life. And here's the thing, I don't owe this rich and beautiful life that I now created for myself to anything external, but rather it is because of this profound inner transformation I was able to accomplish that brought me into my soul's calling. And it was this personal journey of mine into this kind of success, this life of totality, that would eventually be the inspiration for the creation of the Roundtable Mastermind, a course curriculum designed for individuals like you who are seeking more than just financial success, for those that want fulfillment and alignment with their deeper calling. Have you ever felt that despite all of your different achievements, that there is something missing, that there's this gap between your success and your satisfaction? Well, you're not alone. See, because of the relentless pursuit of success, we often lose sight of our deepest drives and desires. And it is because we've been sold a bad lie, that if we just achieve more and more, that eventually, one day, we will be happy. And I can tell you this, it is totally false. It's actually inverted. The conventional path that has been offered to us, filled with strategies and external motivation, they miss addressing the soul's yearning for purpose and fulfillment. In other words, what we have been looking for outside of us is actually been found inside of us. Believe me when I tell you this, there comes a point in every person's journey when the illusion of the external world will come to an end. And it is then when we will begin the earnest seeking of wisdom and purpose. We ultimately stop chasing success, thinking it's the ticket to happiness, because we come to realize that it is a race with no finish line. The real path to fulfillment, the real treasure, it is inside of us, and it is much closer than we have been led to believe. So if you're feeling the pull of aligning your leadership with your deepest soul's purpose, let's explore how we can do some deep inner work together and completely transform your life. Schedule a clarity call below. And look, you're not alone. If you felt that despite achieving career success, you're still dealing with some of the old patterns, emotions, struggling to find harmony in your relationships or your health, And that overall finding a deeper level of fulfillment and purpose, and that feeling like something is still missing, this is just how the world is right now. And this is why I set off to create this program. The Roundtable Mastermind isn't just a basic course. It's actually a profound exploration into why you're really here as a human being, and especially at the time of this great transition and great change. It sheds light and clarity on why you are here on the planet right now. What is your soul's purpose? And ultimately, how does your business support you in realizing this purpose? By blending 27 years of practical business experience, a master's degree in spiritual psychology, in my own personal journey of redemption and reconciliation and success, this program offers you direction on a type of work that I call the cleanup. This has been the essential component of what is missing in the traditional self-development industry. With 800 books read and having attended so many of the self-help seminars, this was something that I found in none of them. The cleanup is where we focus on clearing the unconscious beliefs and emotions that were created at the moment we experience traumas in our life, especially those found in the first 21 years of life. Traumas create shadows, and these things cloud your judgment and weigh down your spirit. When you do the style of cleanup work that I will walk you through in this program, you will literally unlock access to the well of potential that is within you. There's this great Carl Jung quote that says, "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will rule your life and you will call it fate." See, the truth of the matter is that most of what we are doing in our daily life is not conscious. It is actually coming from unconscious tendencies that get developed in our moments of pain and trauma. And the truth is that if you want to undo these things, you will need language for your inner world, frameworks to see how these things play out in your life, and finally, the tools to integrate these unknown parts of ourselves. And that is what I will do for you. I will give you the language, the frameworks, and the tools to do true inner work. The Roundtable Mastermind is your compass to navigate this journey. It's not about just reaching new heights in business. That will come. But it's about elevating your entire being, discovering why you're here and how to align your life and that purpose of yours. Imagine harnessing your full potential, not just in business, but in every aspect of your life. Health, relationship, finances, thriving in a way that most people only dream of. That's what my clients experience, a profound inner transformation that radiates into every area of their lives. They report experiencing increased energy, clarity, emotional intelligence, discipline to self, and a thriving business. This is not just about achieving success. It is about redefining what success actually means to you and aligning your actions to be in congruency with the wisdom of your soul. Imagine this, picture this, waking up every day energized, not by caffeine, but by clarity and purpose. Imagine relationships that are deeper, work that fulfills, and health that radiates. That's the transformation awaiting you. At this point, I've coached well over 1,000 people in the last decade, guiding them through this transformative process. And the results speak for themselves. You've likely found this page because someone has directly recommended that you look into the work that we're doing here at Giving Business Soul. Leaders of all backgrounds have found not just success through my mentorship, but a deeper sense of satisfaction, knowing that they are finally going in the right direction. So for the professionals who feel like they are here to accomplish something great in this lifetime, but you're still grappling with internal conflicts, self-sabotaging patterns, addictions of all kinds, and especially if you have participated in the psychedelic revolution, if you sat with a shaman or a facilitator and have opened up Pandora's box, and now you're wondering, what is next? Well, through this 12-week journey, you will come to understand and master your inner world, learning to see the challenges of your daily life as a mirror that points you to your inner work. In a matter of weeks, you will see a shift in energy, greater clarity, increased energy and discipline, and an overall sense of conviction that you have finally found your unique path to success. So who is this program for? This program is for you if you are interested in developing self-mastery over your mind, your body, and especially your emotions. If you're finally ready to take ownership and accountability for yourself and your life, and you are committed to do whatever it takes to realize your higher potential. If you're a professional with big ambition and seek guidance on how to break through current ceilings and hit a new octave in your daily performance. If you understand that we are living through transitional times and that the leadership we have today is not going to cut it. We need a whole new caliber of leader. And if you're interested in becoming one of those leaders yourself, this program is not for individuals who want to continue to live on the surface level of life. Turn around. It's not for you. It is also not for people who are looking for a quick fix or a pill to help them feel better. This is not for you if you are not ready to completely take responsibility over your life circumstances and commit to changing your habits, your character, and your priorities. And lastly, this is not for you if you are not ready to dive deep into your past traumas in order to recover your soul from the rubble of your pain and emotional anguish. The Roundtable opens the door to a life and leadership style that is imbued with purpose, vitality, and true success. And if you're ready to embark on this transformational journey, to align your entrepreneurial spirit with the mission of your soul, then this is your moment. If you align with who this program was designed for, and you are ready to embark on this journey to uncover your soul's true purpose, this will be a rite of passage for you to embody your higher nature. Click the button below, find the time, and we'll explore this extraordinary path that awaits you. And remember, this isn't just another program. It is a transformational journey to your true self. Spots are limited because deep work takes dedication from you and from me. Click below, schedule your clarity call, and let's explore if the Roundtable Mastermind is the key to the fulfillment and the success you've been searching for. And before I close, I want to share a little bit about why we named this program the Roundtable Mastermind. I love legends and I love myths because what I know is that they speak directly to the soul. And if you remember the Arthurian legends and the quest of the Holy Grail ultimately really represents sort of this finding of our own soul. And this Roundtable Mastermind is really designed for those individuals that want to go through that forest that is depicted in that myth, go through these pains and these traumas to ultimately unearth, to find, and then to begin to live from their soul. That, my friends, is the kind of leadership that we need right now. The world is desperately yearning and crying for these types of individuals. And if you are one of them, let's begin this exploration together.